How to log into Cardinal Financial Mortgage account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Cardinal Financial Mortgage Login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Open it. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now over here, you will find the option of existing account. Click on that. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, type in the username, then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the username or the password, you can click on these options to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on login, and just for that you will be logged into your mortgage account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of register and go through the registration process. So this way you can easily log into Cardinal Financial Mortgage account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.